How to check PayPal account number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can check your PayPal's account number. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to check your PayPal account number, first of all, you have to understand that PayPal does not have an account number. It is not used to identify. The only thing used to identify your account is your phone number or your email address, and that's about all. For example, if you're trying to send money or receive money, you don't need your PayPal account number because PayPal does not have one. All it has is your email address, and as long as your email address is correct, PayPal is going to transfer or wire the money to your associated email address. And for that, what you have to do is first, if I just go ahead and launch the PayPal application on my device, you can see that we do not have any type of account number but our email address. In order to find our email address, tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and over here you want to scroll down and find the option called personal info. Once you go to the personal info tab, right over here you'll be able to see your email address, and that's all. This is your email address, and if you are trying to receive or send money to someone, you also need their email address and yours as well. Hope this video cleared your confusion. If you are trying to find out your account number on PayPal, keep in mind that PayPal does not have one. This is set by official support themselves. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.